Now we're going to look at the Events tab, and you'll notice that some of the events are grayed out. If you'll notice down in the corner, I'm on Upload. And so when you use the cord to upload your code to the MBot, you'll want to say when the MBot starts up, and then click Live for all the rest of the code here. And that way, then it will be easier to do. Um, and you'll be able to code the MBot for an upload. So I would also go to Control for this one, and I would pull over Wait, and then I would pull over that, and then I would use when the onboard button is pressed to add in there. And then when I upload the code, notice that it goes back and will upload. So just to let you know that when we are in the events button, there's difference between being live and upload. So I always have to pull this over for upload when I'm going to use my USB cable to upload the program. I'm just going to pull that down here, and I'm going to go back to live mode. So if I was going to upload my code and wirelessly, then I can do when it is clicked. So when I click the flag, the program will run. And then I can say when the space bar is pressed on my keyboard, an action happens, which could be move forward. And then I start the code with that. Let's go back to events. And then when the onboard button is pressed, again, I can start the code like that, but only in live mode. So as long as I'm wirelessly downloading my code, I can use that. I have to use this code down here when I'm going to do it with the USB cable, which is what I recommend. You don't have any problems when you upload with USB cable. With internet connection or having issues with interconnectivity within your classroom. And then also when I receive a message, an action will happen. And then I can broadcast a message onto my MBot. I can broadcast a message for 1 second and wait, and then do another action. So at the top, when clicked, my program runs. When the onboard button is pressed, and remember, if I'm uploading a program, I'm going to use when the MBot starts up. I wait until I press the button, and then I can code my program. So this is what the events button does. And remember to click that upload and live down at the bottom based on how you're going to upload your code to your MBot.